This video is made with the sponsorship of Ecrotech New Zealand, one source for all your beekeeping requirements. Hi, Trev here from Trevs Bees on Facebook and YouTube. Well, today's the 24th of October 2016 and I got a call from a person about this swarm that had gone up about 4.5 meters up a copper beech. As you can see, there's two clumps of bees, but there's only really one queen. They were just sitting one clump above the other. So the first operation is to clean out as much of the foliage as I could so that my wife could get close enough or see close enough that we would be able to get something on the YouTube. So I just took a bucket up, 20 litre bucket, gently swept all the bees down into the bucket. Very few flying bees causing any trouble. Here I've got the box all ready, left the frames out, put them all back in. Notice that green spacer that I've got in the underneath the box. That's just so that there's somewhere for all the bees to sit while I'm putting all the frames in, so no bees get crushed. Go back up and I removed the branch that those bees were on because there's a few of them had clustered back up onto that branch. That way I got rid of the queen smell that was up there. Trimmed up a few more branches around the second cluster of bees. Back with my bucket and doing the same procedure. Swept them into the bucket. So I set up a couple of propolis mats in front of the hive and I just tip these bees on the propolis mat. Then I quickly grab the camera, come around, and this is in real time. I have never seen the bees run towards the box as fast as these bees have. It was obvious that the queen must be in the hive because those bees cleared those trays, those propolis mats, in a matter of a few minutes. Quite a few flying bees now, of course, by all this activity. However, nothing we can't handle. So get rid of one mat. Shake all the bees off there. And once the bees have all settled down, I then put the lid back on, strap it all up, and that's it. So that's it from Trevs Bees on Facebook and YouTube. This is 30 minutes of video in 4 minutes. So next time we'll catch you around swarming again.